Right, so today we have a 2005 600 CBR RR with a dead battery. So the battery's been on charge with a battery tender. We've got it removed from the bike because it was completely dead, so we've got an overnight charge. So we're going to take the seat off and get the battery on and then see if the bike starts. So to get the seat off, you've got these bolts here, which are a 5mm, and we'll literally just unscrew that. Unscrew that one. Make sure they're both fully off, and then just pull the seat off. There you go. Oh, and now we're going to need a screwdriver. Oh, he's already got battery. Right, he's already got the black and the reds. Where's that connection? Just tucked it under there. There we go. Oh. Right. So take these off. Take this one off. Right. I'm guessing that right in. Yep, and that can go over there like that. So you want obviously your positive to your positive, and put this battery tender back on for him. Screw that in there. Cap on, and then again with this side you do the same thing. I guess I've got it like that. Right. Prime the fuel pump a few times. I'll just get you guys sat on the exhaust, shall we? I'll stick it. His throttle's getting a bit stuck. Right, so I'm gonna, wow, that's loud. Let me come over here. So I'm now going to put the seat back on. I'm just going to let it run for a minute because it hasn't ran in a little while, so I'm just going to let it have a quick warm up. But we're going to put the seat back on, and then yeah, bike's good to go, good to be ridden again. It's not my bike, it's a mate's bike, so I just thought I'd do that for him, and you know what I mean, now he can ride the bike again. So yeah, put the seat back on and good to go.